Hi, just a real quick one today about a live center modification. So I had a clearance issue and I had already removed the material I could from the threading tool. And so I needed to remove some metal also from the live center to be able to turn some M12 threads. So I took a CBN insert and I just turned the center with the center hole and turn it just like that. And I think that turned out okay. And the programs are handwritten by me and I'm a total beginner, so they might have some minor issues here and there, but I think after all they turned out okay. And if you like this type of content, consider giving a like and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. And I will post some more videos about the CNC lathe and also about the other machines at some point. I apologize the video quality, I need to work some on the lighting and maybe a better camera wouldn't hurt. But anyway, this was all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.